From Siargao, come with us to Surigao del Sur. It was already late in the afternoon when we arrived. We took a ferry from Dapa Port in Siargao all the way to Surigao Port. Then, we hopped on a bus going to a friend's house to visit her family for a special reason.
Hello po, good afternoon po. Mother, akong biological mother.
After dropping off our bags, we rode a sikad. That's what they call it. In some places in the Philippines, it's called bao-bao or tuk-tuk or tricycle. So we rode one to visit our friend's grandma's house. The next day, we packed up again and traveled to Bislig, Surigao del Sur. After a couple of hours of bus ride, we finally arrived and checked into our booked accommodation. The next day, we started our tour early in the morning. We rented a tuk-tuk for a whole day of exploring Bislig, Surigao del Sur.
Morning, kuya. Nag-base pa sila eh.
And of course, being a Filipino, our morning wouldn't be complete without warm pandesal. We passed by a bakery and bought some on our way to Tinuy-an Falls. When we arrived at the falls, we had breakfast first. There are small sari-sari stores nearby, so it was easy and convenient to have breakfast first. After having our breakfast, we headed to the waterfalls and look at that! I was honestly amazed by how wide the waterfall is.
Welcome to Tinuy-an Falls.
They say that Tinuy-an Falls is often called the Niagara Falls of the Philippines because of its width and beauty. If you plan to visit popular places like this, it's best to come early in the morning to avoid the big crowds, plus you get the chance to enjoy the view or just relax without any rush. After exploring Tinuy-an Falls, we went to visit the famous Enchanted River.
Laki.
And just like most tourist spots in the Philippines, we paid an entrance fee before heading in.
Magkano pe? 300. 100 per head. Doon ko lang gusto pumunta dito.
When I first went in, I felt like someone or something was watching us from under the water, but it's probably just the atmosphere, because the place really does feel mysterious. But wow, the water was unbelievably blue, so clear and clean. We also saw a lot of fishes around. I wanted to swim in the main pool, but I learned that since 2017, swimming here has been banned to help preserve the river and keep everyone safe. Instead, they've opened a designated swimming area just 10 meters away from tourists to enjoy swimming. If you're lucky enough, they have a fish feeding at 12 and 3 p.m.
This is our way of showing everyone how we should give back to the environment and take care of Mother Nature.
It was a cool and a fun experience to see a lot of fishes coming. After that, we had our lunch nearby, then went back to our accommodation to grab our bags and prepare for the next destination. It was a short but meaningful trip to Surigao. Sometimes, it's the quiet places, short stops, and the early morning drives that remind us why we travel. Indeed, every destination has its own story, and I'm glad I get to share a little bit of that with you. Until next time, see you!
Bye! Thank you so much! Ay. Ay, ang laki ng bag ko.